Dr. Crane, I have Ren for you.
Take a seat, Ren. Thank you, Margaret. Before we begin, I want to confirm that you're here of free will. No coercion or physical restraint. Would you like a lemon tea? This procedure is permanent, and I only offer it to patients I believe and have proved to be incurable. Do you think your condition is incurable, Ren? If at any time beforehand you do not wish to proceed, your choice will be respected. However, once we begin, the procedure is unable to be stopped. Can you please confirm your understanding? Now, some patients choose to engage in a moment of prayer or ritual consistent with their faith. Are you interested in that?
No.
And can you confirm that you have stated for no external parties to be present during the procedure, friends or family? All right. When you're ready, say yes.
Yes.
Can you please sit upright? Now, I want you to focus on a point on the wall, giving all your attention to it. As you begin, you'll start to notice things you didn't initially. How the light reflects it. You may start to see shadows or patterns. Your peripheral vision will start to lessen due to the intense focus. Your eyes may start to strain or blur. Let them close. Now, focus on your breathing, in and out, through your nose, releasing all tension from your body. Your scalp starts to relax. Let that spread. A heavy, sinking feeling in your face, neck, shoulders, chest. All the tension in your body is gone. You picture yourself at the edge of the sea. Maybe you're building sandcastles with your sister. You see your mother in the water. Her arms reaching out, flailing around, and she's screaming. She's dying, Ren. She's drowning. You start to run to save her, and your feet enter the water. With each step, deeper and deeper. The water goes up to your neck, your face, until eventually it consumes you. Now, the unconscious mind is receptive. Feel the way you breathe. How heavy and tiresome the breath is. How toxic, Ren. And soon you start to realize you're not breathing at all.